sister are going to the beach because it's finally warm enough to like kind of go, you know. We probably won't swim, but we're gonna take cute photos, journal, do heaps of fun like girly things. Then when we get home, we're gonna have a sissy slumber party. So I'm going. Yeah, I decided we're gonna make cookies and watch Pretty Little Liars. So
you wanna watch with me finally?
Okay, so
I wanna watch Pretty Little Liars, but she keeps saying no. I'm tired. No, let's watch YouTube. I wanna watch.
If you guys wanna stay tuned, stay tuned and keep watching. Yeah. You guys, me and my sister are eating some lunch first. Hanan got this chicken salad, and I got me some chicken curry. So you guys, we've made it to the beach. We're gonna set up our things. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm set up. You guys can see. So guys, Hanan just left to go pee. She doesn't know where the bathroom is, so hopefully I don't lose her. But anyways, look how pretty the beach is. I'm so happy I haven't been to the beach in ages. Ignore this gross fence behind me. This is the only like part that kind of has sunlight. But yeah, guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna journal. I really want to dip my toes, but I know that the water's ice cold. Let me just set up my sister's towel. Guys, the towel's set. You guys, we're taking photos right now. Look at the water. So beautiful, y'all. You left my video. Look at this fine babe. Ta-da-da. Dance for us. Woo! Keep it coming. Yes, smoking. Hot. Yeah, play it off. Yo! Hey!
Shop at Santori the label and use code Hananamari for money off.
No, use code Manelamari for money off.
No, Hananamari.
Oh my god.
Influencers in the wild.
You're gonna rip your dress if you do a freaking cartwheel, you idiot.
Guys.
Okay, Hanan's doing
Watch.
gymnastics. Everyone just seen you minge. Good job. Can I try?
Yeah.
Ew, I'm sandy. Did that happen to you?
Yes, I have sand on my hands.
No, I have sand on my ass. Oh, I can feel the crinkles. I'm kidding. Ew. I don't like sand. I don't want to go to the beach ever again.
Guys, I don't want to go to the park ever again.
If you know where that's from, use the real ones.
Yeah. And then you wear Speedos to the beach. Why do
Marry me. I love men that wear Speedos to the beach. I'm kidding. I'm obviously... Look at her face. I'm obviously kidding. Guys, I'm kidding. If you want to marry me, okay, this is what you're going to do. You're going to come to the beach in an all-white, rich, old money suit.
Girl, your hair.
I know, like, what is going on?
Your suit.
Yeah, stop, guys. Why did boys take over next to us?
That's so annoying.
Gross. Ew. Ooh. That's not a sea urchin. I think that's just a stick. Or like something. I don't know. One of those weird plants in the ocean. Like, what is it called? Coral?
Look at the color.
Oh, is this not so beautiful? Ah, that is cold. So beautiful. Times like these, you guys, we need to express in our gratitude why we're so happy to be alive. Like, ah, no, help.
Oh, I'm so ready to get soaked right now.
And as we can see, there is what appears to be a Hanan in her natural habitat trying to take a pic of me. Woo!
Arch the other left, yeah. I like that. Come to mama.
My leg's getting it out. We did it, you guys. Do you want me to not be in it? In the thumbnail? That was so bad. Wait. Also, wait, I'm gonna tell you this after. It really irks me. Wait, I'll tell you after. Is it about me? Mm-hmm. That's not cute. What? I'm kidding, it is. What? I'm saying that's not cute, babe. No, it is. It's because you were just sitting there like yeah, because you know when that happens when you look good but someone else looks bad, and you make sure you also look good in one of those shots. Can you move over so you can show more sky? How about we look at each other? That's adorable. This is adorable. Do you remember Alfie's Hannah? Oh, we love. Do you remember we died? Because in the in that one where the mums were like, oh, like they laugh and they're like, oh. They're like, oh. I'm literally crying. Oh. He copied me. I look like a pixie. She was a fairy. A pixie hollow. Get this. Get this right. Pussy willows. Pussy. No, get this right. The philosopher's stone. Stop. My mascara. Oh no. Pussy willows. Oh, I'm snorting at the noise. I have the sniffles. I forget we're in a social setting sometimes. You can take me hard to go. Oh my god, the pretty girls are staring at us. Help. Wait. Okay, shut up. Sorry, listen. One of your thumbnails. Stop. It's you looking like an actual model. Like you're like this. And then it's me in the background like I was like this bit. You can take me. Whoa. Shut up. Can we try and do another thumbnail? Because I feel like we're so cute now. I don't know why. You guys, let's have a deep conversation for a minute. Oh my god, I have elbow indentations now, do you? Oh yeah, it feels nice. Yeah. Stop. Do you have to make an indentation for your ass to go in the... like when you lay on your back? I don't, but I hear a lot of big booty people do. Yeah. Oh, you do? Yeah. Well, then why'd you look so confused when I asked?
No.
As if you've never done it before.
I know for some people, like, maybe like you might not need to do that, but like with me, yeah, there's a pretty big indentation. Stop. Look at my legs. Look at my legs!
That looks like we're bored.
We should make this the thumbnail. Beach day! Beach day! Oh my god. Should we go now?
Yeah.
Just stay.
No, yeah, and I don't want to be here when it's actually night. Sorry guys, sand on my phone.
Please, for once in your life, can you just not embarrass me?
Where that whole family was still.
Woo!
Woo!
Shut up.
Sorry guys, I got a little bit excited. Shout out to my friends, this is their jumper. We're packed, taking the last bits of our belongings, saying goodbye to the beautiful beach. Okay girlies, we're about to go home. We're getting milk and cookies. Ah! Eek, eek. 3, 2, 1. Slumber party! Woo! Okay, let's get a move on. Yeah. Guys, actually last time my sister drove. We're the luckiest girls in the world. Oh my god, my skirt just rode up. I know my ass is out. Woo! Such a good mood.
Same.
Aww.
I'm hugging her, but she's really tall. You're like, freaking.
She thinks I'm like 6 foot. I'm literally 5'3". She's just 5 foot. Why am I crying? Tears of happiness, guys. Romanticize.
Yeah.
Everything.
This is your sign to get close with your sibling. If you have a sibling, if you don't have a sibling.
Yeah, you guys, because
Find
family is
someone.
honestly everything.
My sister is literally my best friend.
No, you're my best friend too. I used to tell her she's my best friend. She told me to
But
get
also,
away.
you can find family in friends.
Is that a fruit? I don't know. It looks like corn on the cob. Guys, I think my booty's out. Oh, almost got ran over. Sorry. What a lovely afternoon. It's really hard to record because I'm holding so much stuff. I apologize, but like, what a lovely afternoon.
What a lovely day. What a lovely...
We were saying how people probably think that we're drunk or something because people keep walking past us and we're just dying laughing, but we're literally just enjoying life. Pretty air sky. Pretty air sunset. I look so tired. We just made it to Woolworths. We're gonna get some snacks for our movie night slumber party. We just picked up some strawberries. We're also gonna grab some chocolate sauce. Ooh, sucker in the basket. Woo! Hey guys, Hanan is on a diet, right? No sugars, no dairy, no... what else? No sugar, no dairy, no sauce. Okay guys, we're home, we're showered, hair's in a bonnet, hair's tied up.
We're nice and clean.
Yeah, we're ready to watch Pretty Little Liars, so let me show you guys all the snacks we got. Okay, so we got some sour cream and chive delights. If you know, you know that these are boss. Okay, we got some strawberries, but like we don't want to eat all of them, so yeah. We ended up putting the chocolate dip back because I wanted to get these. Anyways, we were meant to get cookie dough, but like we decided that we actually can't be bothered baking them, so we just got like pre-made cookies. And then we got some Black Forest, but that's been halfway halfway devoured. And I got me some grain waves because I love me some grain waves. Yeah.
Don't let it be fooled, guys. This is all I'm eating. These and this. Because I'm trying to keep my skin clear.
I'm eating it all. But yeah. So you guys, quick fit check. We're wearing these matching PJs. I'm a zebra. She's obviously a cheetah. And then we're wearing these cute tops. And guys, check this.
Look at my shoes.
Look at our pom-poms. It's giving Tinkerbell, like, ooh, she was a fairy.
She was.
Watch some Pretty Little Liars.